Okay, today I'm going to show you a demo around Secure Desktop and Oracle Forms. OCI Secure Desktop is a virtual desktop solution that could be nice with Forms. We have two use cases coming from our customers. The first use case is I can install on a virtual desktop VM the Forms standalone launcher. And so, as a Forms application user, I can just open my virtual desktop in order to use my Forms application. Second use case, I can install on the Secure Desktop VM Forms Builder because I am a Forms developer, and then I can just open my virtual desktop in order to develop my Forms application. Why doing that? Generally, because you don't want to have on your laptop the Forms standalone launcher or the Forms builder, or you have a kind of latency on the network between your laptop and OCI, and maybe this solution could be useful. You need to test it in order to see if it could be useful in this case. Okay. So on my tenancy, as usual, you need to create policies for OCI Secure Desktop. It's always like that. Do not miss the policies if you don't want to fail to create the desktop pool later. Okay. Then I start from a custom image that is an official custom image coming from Secure Desktop for Oracle Linux 8. Please take official image because official image have all the package needed for Secure Desktop. Then I created my own VM. So my own compute VM, no relation with OCI Secure Desktop. Why? Because I want to prepare and create my own image for Secure Desktop. In this case, I want to install on my own image the JDK8 for Forms Builder, and I want to download on this image the distribution of Forms. Okay, so I did that. The VM was named Instance Form Desktop. I did the job, and after that, I created my own Forms image, Oracle 8 Desktop with my JDK8 and with Forms. Okay. Then I created a desktop pool. As you see here, I have one active desktop that is running, and the desktop pool, okay, used Forms image that I created before. Okay. Then I reach this URL and I download the client for Secure Desktop because the client Windows, for example, is more powerful than the web client, and I install it on my laptop. Okay, very easy. After that, I click on Open my virtual desktop. Okay, and I did the job. I install Forms Builder on virtual desktop. Okay, not this one, sorry, but this one here. Okay, my virtual desktop, as you see, I can work as a Forms developer now. I want to give you some details. So I choose Oracle Linux 8. Okay, it means, okay, please download the Forms certification matrix, and you can see, oh, Oracle Linux 8 is okay. Okay, I used the JDK8, the last JDK8. Okay, why? Because this is the only JDK that is supported for Forms Builder. And this is my use case. I want a virtual desktop for a Forms Builder for a developer. But if I were a user, I just need Oracle Forms standalone launcher and a lot of JDK here are supported. Okay. Be careful with Oracle Linux 8. You need forms prerequisites here. So if you don't have this prerequisite, then you will have a message during the installation telling you, oh, you don't have the prerequisites. So please install the good library. Starting from the official Oracle Linux 8 for OCI Secure Desktop, as you see, I install all these packages, okay, and this one at the end to avoid an error message after prerequisite. Okay, but it's okay. Everything is described on the documentation of forms. So it's not because it's OCI desktop that it's magic with forms. You need to follow the prerequisite for the operating system, for the packages that you need, and for the JDK. Okay? What is super nice with OCI Secure Desktop is that it's just a VM, okay? In a virtual cloud network, like a compute instance, it's exactly the same. It's super powerful because you can copy easily file from your laptop to this virtual desktop, okay? And this virtual desktop will contain all what you need in order to work. And so as it's a simple VM, it is exactly the same constraint than installing forms on your server, on your laptop. Nothing more, okay? At the end, you can see I have my virtual desktop. As a Forms user, I can have a virtual desktop with Forms standalone launcher. It's super nice. I click, I open, I use the Forms application, nothing on my laptop. As a Forms developer, super nice, I click on my virtual desktop, I open my virtual desktop, and I'm developing my Forms application. So super easy. Thank you very much for your attention.